Hi, James with Mobility Quad. Here we have a 2026 Polaris Ranger XP that has been modified for a wheelchair. And in this case, the ramp is on the top. And the customer will deploy the ramp and put it on the floor. So these doors fold outwards to accomplish that. So let me put the ramp and give you a better idea of what we're talking about. Okay, so now the ramp has been deployed, as you can see here. Remember that ramp was on the top. Now you also have a cargo area on this side. With this particular configuration, you could put some items at the top, strap them down, and the wheelchair will enter. There's L tracks for key restraints. This seat folds up. The roof has actually been pushed upward to allow more headroom. So if you have any questions, visit us at mobilityquad.com.